Right, it's raining. The dog right there. That's the road.
Ayan, waiting.
Painit na po siya, oh. Itog na. Itog na. Itog na ka.
Nay, black ice cream? Ay, kami na ko katong black na ice cream. Ano ito? Ano ito nito? Ano ito?
Hey. Oh, gitog na ka. Gitog na. Gitog na. Kurog-kurog ang baba. Ingat na po. So, that place right there is the Baliti Spa. Fish Spa. Right there. So, yeah, under the shingles. Sabi, ada dah hambalay hadto, oh. Pinakakuan. Kasi pagod na ulan. Morning. See the flood water. That's the flood water. Water is like that. So rainy season na gid ni siya. Sigo lang siya. Abot na nung ay! Nakakausap kayo sila ang padalagan. Few motorists have stopped by here to avoid the rain. Get wet with the rain. So now we stopped by at the moment here in the heart of Siquijor. It still has rain, but only rain shower. But as you can see, the sunlight was there. It's not cloudy. It's raining, but still it's sunny, so which is good. I never expect that it will rain, so that's why I never bring anything like raincoat or something like that. So I just wear pants. So I just don't want to get wet. Not heavy rain, it's just rain shower, but still busy. Sunny, still sunny. Look at the asphalt road right there. Still wet. So I just sit here for a few minutes before I leave because I'm going to buy some medicine like ointment for my skin. Where I should buy my medicine is only in Siquijor. Mercury drug right here. We'll go to Siquijor every time I went somewhere. So I think about the ointment for my skin. Yeah. Because I have so many pets. So I need to buy some soap for my skin. Medicinal soap. Something like that. Or germicidal soap for my skin. But I have many pets. So I must have to have germicidal soap and ointment for my skin because a lot of the itchiness. I think it's more safe to buy medicine for my skin or even soap, germicidal soap. There's a Mercury drug right here. I used to buy their ointment and germicidal soap. Siquijor. Still crowded, even if it's today is Sunday, sometimes cloudy, but yeah, the rain had stopped here at the moment. A few minutes ago it has rain shower, but it stopped right now.